Alright, today we're going to be talking about how to connect a Go Direct motion detector by Vernier to an iPad via Bluetooth and use Vernier graphical analysis to collect data. So first up, you're going to open the graphical analysis and make sure that your Go Direct motion detector is on. You can tell because it will start blinking red. We're going to go new experiment, and we're going to tap on wireless devices. After a moment of searching, you should see something called GDX-MD, MD for motion detector, and an alphanumeric code there. So what you want to make sure that you do is make sure that your ID on the Go Direct motion detector that you are holding matches the ID that you are about to connect to. So since I'm the only person in the room, there's only one choice. I'm going to tap on that, wait for it to connect, and you'll notice that the Go Direct motion detector will start blinking green and you will hear ticking. It collects data through sound, using sound, and we're going to go into the settings by tapping in this eye here, just to make sure. And on the bottom, you'll see a few modes there. Typically, we will only be using the middle or the one on the left. On the bottom right, you'll see one called motion with TC. That's for if you happen to live in an area with extreme temperatures, it'll correct for that. But for the purposes of my class, typically be using motion regular, which will be good for any generally any object, a car, person, a ball being tossed, but usually we will be going with the middle one, which just makes sure that since it works with sound and it relies on sound waves, it just makes sure that it doesn't pick up any side ways. So this is best for buggy cars, carts on tracks, and we'll usually be using this one in my class. Alright, so we're going to go back, hit done. We'll be ready to collect data. So here we go. This is my hand moving back and forth, and we are good. Alright, so hope this helps, and we'll see you next time.